So when people come to us and they're looking for a CRM, they're coming from one of two places. They're moving from spreadsheets and inboxes, or they're coming from a legacy system. Wherever they are, they don't trust their data, or they don't trust that no one's using it within the business. If they don't trust the data, it's usually because if I ask them a question, who's your biggest client last year? They don't know where to look. So they don't trust how it's stored, the foundations of the data architecture isn't right. So buying a CRM is not a software decision. It's a business process. It's a people and process system. You have to understand what we're solving for before you start aligning any software that you're going to pick off the shelf, because there isn't a unicorn software out there that you'll find. What you need to do is match the business requirements and the people capabilities internally with what your business needs are.